Okay. Whoa. I hate the air cannons. Hey ghouls and witches, I'm here at Sir Henry's Haunted Trail for their Haunted Christmas event. Sir Henry's does seasonal haunts throughout the entire year, not just spooky. They do haunts throughout the entire year to keep our spooky hearts happy, but this is their Christmas, their holiday haunt. There's gonna have 2 haunted trails and a haunted sleigh ride, plus all the fun happenings in Boggy Meadow. To take you guys on the trails with me, one, I am on the trails and the sleigh ride. On the sleigh ride and trail, one trail, I am able to do forward facing. On the other, it is gonna be selfie style, so you get to see all the fun. But here we go.
Oh, that's fire.
Hey!
Are you ready? Jack Frost, nice to meet you.
Oh. Gates are open. We're being squeezed through a very small hole. I'm very excited to show you guys how Boggy Meadow looks. I can see some crystallized early and it looks so cute. Look at our centerpiece. It is a Krampus. Oh my goodness. That's amazing. There are lots of fun characters here around Boggy Meadow to come interact with. Let me try to see if we can get some here. So pretty.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Wow, she's an ice princess. Elsa who? Honestly, Elsa who? You guys do not know Sir Henry's. They don't serve liquor here, but they do have a partnership with Keel and Curly, and they do offer some of their wines here from Keel and Curly's winery. Delicious. Nice to get the little festivities going here.
Krampus, we need you to hang. No, you good, man.
Ah. Looks like we got Jack Frost in the house here.
Yes. The Wizard of Blizzard.
Oh. Getting a little chilly out.
The snow is on its way.
Oh boy. Oh boy. In Florida, you know something's amiss.
It takes a little while in Florida.
It takes a little extra time. Awesome. In line for the haunted sleigh ride. This is one of the offerings here at Sir Henry's Haunted Christmas. It's basically like their sleigh ride, but oh my god, very loud. We'll see what happens. Abs here. Woo.
What's this? How did you escape the claws of the Krampus? He must be getting soft in his old age. That just won't do. Time to send out my evil ginger dead men. These ginger snaps aren't so sweet. They're a little tired of having their...
Why?
Oh.
What do we have here? I say we have a couple of lights. We don't let the acid snow bother you. If it does, you're better off dead. Let the my work. Hold on. Hey!
Made of acid snow.
Hello.
Look at Frost.
Whoa.
Look what the sleigh I'm drugging. Are you guys ready to be turned into Santa's mission?
Sleigh ride was a lot of fun. I love the theme that they had throughout of it. I love the storyline of Santa just being upset and feeling like people are not as grateful for him. Santa did give me a lump of coal, so I guess that tells me I'm on the naughty list this year, but that was a lot of fun. We are about to head into a very Strauss Christmas. Oh God.
What do you mean I'm not your Santa? Look at me!
Hi.
I'm getting presents again now.
Oh.
We wish you a Christmas. We wish you a Christmas. We wish you a Christmas and a loser New Year.
Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. Distraction. Oh, I got a friend. Oh, hi. Oh. Oh.
Get out while you can.
Oh.
Brilliant.
Oh.
So much holiday joy.
Oh my God, these lights. Oh. 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 Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah! Got sprayed with something. Oh, wow. Oh. It was a fun game of what's real? Oh, that's real. That's real. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh my God. Oh. I hate the air cannons. Oh. Why? Oh. Oh my God, it's us. Oh, so cool.
Treetop. The wind blows the crater.
Aww. Oh. Oh, we have a friend.
Look at the lights. Look at me and tell me am I festive?
Yes.
Tell me.
So festive. Oh, okay.
You would make the perfect toy too!
Oh.
Wait, where are you guys going? We have plenty of stuffing just for you!
Oh.
Your mom's gonna be so happy!
We have a toy toy. Can I catch
Oh my
up?
God. Oh my God, there's so much happening. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my God. That was a lot. That was a lot happening. That was so much fun. So if you guys don't know, Sir Henry's, they change everything for each season. And this trail itself just got a whole like facelift for Halloween, but they kept that facelift going for Christmas, and that was insane. Oh my God. There were lights going, there were special effects. I got sprayed at one point. The actor is phenomenal. That was really good. If you have some light sensitivity, maybe not go through that one, because there's just a lot of lights and everything happening, but that was really fun. We're heading into our second and final trail of the night, Krampus Toy Maker's Curse. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah! Right up my skirt.
We're so sorry. We never meant for any of this, your hat pins. The praise.
I told you these kids what would happen if they misbehaved, but they never listened.
Uh-oh.
And now they've ended Krampus.
Oh no.
The beast.
Oh.
He came from the mountain.
Whoa, whoa!
Oh, you guys are so cool!
Christmas. Wow.
It's so short, Mom.
Oh my god. Eggnog.
All the things. Don't go out there.
Oh. Yes, girl, sing it. Oh, hello. It's got a stick. Oh, whoa. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa! We're like in the catacombs.
He's gonna get you.
Oh?
He took my family. He said he'd kill me, please. You can't leave me here. Just go with him.
Whoa, whoa.
You can't hide. This is
Woo.
our town.
Mary Chrysler. Happy Honda days.
Pop goes the whistle.
Oh, it's Krampus.
You think he's gonna find me here? Please, please help me. He's looking for me.
Uh-oh.
He's going to take my toys.
That's not
Please
good.
help me. Ah! Mein Vater made them all just for me.
Oh.
And you can't have any of them. Fass mein Spielsachen nicht an.
Oh.
Lass mein Spielsachen in Ruhe.
Oh, sprechen Sie Deutsch.
Please, it's like nuts. Bitte, bitte.
Whoa!
I don't want to die in there. He'll kill you. Please, bitte, bitte. You want everything I did myself.
Whoa.
You want to be the next one.
No.
Turn your intestines.
Whoa! Whoa!
Your skin's so pretty, you can be a
Thanks,
doll.
thanks. Oh, wow. Oh, there's a hand. That was so much fun. Krampus was like around every corner. There's toys coming at you. There's people trying to make you into toys. People telling you be careful, he's coming. It's just a good time. I love that trail just because we're always like inside, outside. You can see like different parts of the trail throughout. It's just a good time. They do so well there. A quick look at the Sir Henry's swag shop for their Christmas. Look how cute these little Gingerman stuffies are. That is adorable. Oh. They have cute little clutches too. They have cool ornaments. I love the headless horseman. That is pretty neat. Oh, Krampus. Oh, that's so cute. The head's off. Lots of candles. Very festive. Oh my god, look at the monster nutcrackers. Oh my god, they're so cute. Got some wrapping paper here from Spooky Cat Press. Very cutesy. That cute homemade festive soaps as well. I love these air freshener diffusers. I started using them in my car and I love them. Not these specifically, but just in general. I love them. Bring Sir Henry into the kitchen with some sauces, chocolate sauces, jam, some wines, or cider, sorry. Woo! All right, friends, that wraps up my time here at Sir Henry's Haunted Christmas. That was a lot of fun. Oh my God, if you guys are like me, that I need to get like my spooky fill in throughout the year, Sir Henry's is definitely your place to go. They officially open for Haunted Christmas on December 5th. Today is November 30th, so by the time you see this, might be a couple days before they open, but I'm gonna link the link below to where you can buy tickets and get more information on the event. Part of the proceeds from Sir Henry's do go to charity, so you get to enjoy, have a nice night, and also feel like good doing it because you're helping a special cause, which is great. Prices range from $40 to $53, and you have to buy them online ahead of time. You cannot show up and buy them at the door. You have to buy them ahead on that link that I'm putting in the description below, so definitely go check that out. Thank you so much, Sir Henry's, for having me out. It's always a pleasure. So happy to kick off the Haunted Christmas season with you guys, and I can't wait for what's in store. Till the next time, guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!